Morning, guys! It's Saturday today! And matamlay ang aking baby, guys. May sakit siya. He came down with a fever Friday night. Yeah, so last night. Poor baba. Hey? Oh no, Thursday night actually. Sorry, Thursday night. No, may sipon siya. What do you want to eat? You want bread? Grabe ka pa. Pinainom ko na siya ng Panadol. It's only 7:30, guys. Do you want bread, Raika? Ito lang siya relaxing and watching the fishes. Ayan, meron kaming fish. Dinagdagan ko pala yan. Kasi nga, dalawa na lang yung natira dyan. So, dinagdagan ko ng bago. Yung mga red, yung bago. Anyway, Ate's here. Morning, Ate! Say morning, nag-breakfast na siya. Morning!
Happy birthday to you!
Oh, diba?
Happy birthday
Para sa may
to
mga birthday
you!
dyan ngayon.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Yay!
Baby! Hooray! Baby! Hooray! Happy! Hooray!
Well done! Nga guys, kape-kape na tayo. Ang tagal kong hindi nag-vlog, grabe. Isang buwan kami hindi nag-vlog, guys. And today is 31st of August. Kaming tatlo lang kasi Ben is away for work for a week. So, nasa Japan siya. Papunta siya ng Japan. So, nasa airport na siya, guys. Kahapon, grabe ang lakas ng hangin and ng ulan. But anyway, ang tagal ko hindi nag-vlog kasi nga, ang tagal namin sa Pinas, diba? Parang 7 weeks kami sa Pinas, more than 2 months pa yun. And, grabe busy nun. Yung last vlog, mga last vlog ko, tinatry ko nang i-edit ngayon. So, after this update vlog, live update vlog is yung Boracay vlogs na namin. So, super late na yun, guys. Pero pagtsagaan nyo na. So, yun na yung mga last vlog ko sa Pinas. Kasi after ng Boracay, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi nag-busy na kami. And, nung Boracay kasi nagkasakit sila, si Ben, Harley, and Riker. So, hindi nila masyadong na-enjoy actually yung Boracay kasi, ayun, meron silang mga sakit. But anyway, nakikita nyo yun sa vlog, guys. Hindi nga rin ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi nga, nalagaan ko sila. Nasa kwarto lang sila palagi, you know. Maulan kasi rin noon, nandun kami sa Boracay. So, natsyempohan kami na maulan. Kasi palagi naman kami pupunta doon ng around, June, July. Pero this year lang kami natsyempohan na very wet. Yes, my love. Do you want bread? Or you want juice? You want to sit next to Ate? No, they miss you, Baba. They miss their only rice boy, hey? Your only rice boy is matamlay. You want juice? Okay. Yeah, so kahapon, nag-absent si Ate kasi nag-family day kami kahapon, kaso nga lang. Sa bahay, nag-drive around lang kami kasi may sakit nga si Riker. Kasi si Daddy, he'll be away for this week. You wanna sit next to Ate? Yeah, you want some bread?
Tita,
Ayun na, meron na kami. Pagdating namin, nagustuhan nila yung swivel chair dun sa nirentahan naming apartment, no? Sa condo. So, naghanap ako ng, yung bar stools ko dito, temporary lang yun kasi gusto ko ng much better. So, ayan, nag-order ako ng much better and swivel chair kasi gusto ng mga bata. But anyway, hindi ako nag-vlog ng isang buwan kasi nasikaso ko talaga dito kasi ang tagal namin nawala and of course, with Harley, I have to call all the message all the therapies and organize all that, guys. So, ngayon marami na rin kasi activity yung mga bata. Siya, dinagdagan ko ng dancing. So, meron na siyang dancing class every Thursday. And si Riker, meron na siyang sports every Friday. Para sa mga toddlers lang naman yun. Yung any sports na try nila doon. Like, any in one class, isn't it? Do you want some bread? No? Okay, I'll hug you then. No, I will hug you. Gusto lang yan ng cuddle. I know, baby. Nung Thursday na. Ayun. Wait, let me wipe your face. Where's Daddy? You tell them. Where's Daddy?
Daddy is airplane.
Yeah.
Daddy's work.
Daddy's work.
Daddy work.
Daddy's work. Sinabi niya kay ate niya. Ay, naku, mahilo si Mama Harley. Wait, let me get my bread. Kain tayo almusal. Saan ba tayo? So, ayun. Kaya hindi ako nag-vlog ng isang buwan kasi tinasikaso ko is nag-busy dito. Kinontak ko lahat ng kailangan kontak ulit. And Harley's back to school, obviously. And him as well. And yeah, nag-rest mo rin kami. Kasi alam mo yung pagkatapos ng holiday mo, pagod ka pa. Pagod ka pa din. Pagod. Mami, yung kasi yung Boracay trip namin, it wasn't as relaxing kasi nga, you want Daddy. Daddy's at the airport. Daddy having called us here.
My daddy.
Where? Daddy's at the airport now.
Daddy.
I know.
My
Where?
daddy.
Yeah, so yun guys. Pahinga muna tayo na. Speaking of Daddy.
My daddy.
Here's Daddy. Daddy, I was trying to find you.
My God, look.
Oh my God, Daddy bought you already.
And this
Something.
airplane.
You
Yeah, for
I will
you.
buy the airplane. Let's shoot in the airplane. And go shoot the daddy get the airplane. Oh, shoot the daddy get the airplane.
Yeah.
Daddy get airplane.
Yeah, and
Oh my God. I think he got that.
But they got daddy
The similar-
airplane.
No,
You know,
he
daddy.
hasn't. And then I got for IE.
Oh.
That's good.
What is that?
For IE.
Coloring. Oh, ate, oh, Daddy. Holly. Daddy, you want to say hello? Come here.
Daddy. That's good.
Are you at the lounge now?
Daddy. Don't really go
Was it
to-
busy?
Daddy, go to the airplane.
Why? Because it's, I don't know, peak hour there because it's the morning, the busiest.
Yeah, but
He woke up a couple of times last night.
Riker did.
Yeah, I think because he was so scared of the wind, so I have to close the window.
Oh,
Because it was so windy last night. So natakot siya. Yeah, he got scared.
How's his temperature?
It's normal, 37.8, so it's still fever. They give him Panadol. At least it's not 38, huh? Yeah.
And IE slept through?
Yeah, I slept through.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko tabihan kasi may sakit ko baby.
I'm pushing it. Oh God, I'm pushing.
Oh God, there's present.
I'm the
Do
airplane.
you like, yeah, do you like your present? What a lucky
Oh,
boy.
they got the broken. See, a broken.
What's broken?
And I got it in the TV room. I got it in TV.
Gusto niya manood ng TV, guys. Not yet, baby. Mommy's still having coffee and breakfast. You haven't had breakfast. You want Weet Bix? Wala siyang gana kumain. Do you want biscuit? Bluey biscuit? No? You can go and play with Ate in the room. She's in the room now. We'll watch a movie. Lots of movies later. Cuddles and movie, okay? Diba lumamig na yung kape ko, i-microwave ko na naman siya. Dali guys, microwave ko. So, konti lang din yung na-vlog ko sa Boracay guys, kasi nga may sakit sila. So, hindi ko alam kung baka one vlog lang din yun after neto or mga 2. And then, updated vlogs na tayo. So, at least, konti lang, diba? Konti lang yung super late vlogs. Kasi nga, hindi na ako nag-vlog pagkatapos ng Boracay kasi sobrang busy dahil main reason bakit kami nag-extend is binenta na namin yung isang branch namin sa Pampanga. So, which is yung SM City Clark. So, hindi na po sa amin yung Subway SM City Clark, guys. So, Marquee Mall na lang. So, yeah, yun yung main reason kung bakit kami nag-extend sa Pinas. Dahil na-transfer na namin yun sa bago niyang owner. Bago niyang owner. Parang ano lang. So, but yeah, kaya sobrang na-busy kami nun. And nagre-recover pa lang din nun si Harley. Kasi siya yung siya yung pinaka nahuling gumaling. So, ayun. So, pagbalik dito, of course, si Ben na busy na rin kasi ang tagal niya nawala sa mga stores dito. And ako with the kids, and, you know, unahin ko yung mga bata, guys, tsaka yung gawain dito sa bahay, and yung mga extra pang kailangan kong gawin. Like yung citizenship ko, kakailangan ko pa palang kumuha ng police clearance kasi nga nagtagal ako sa Pinas. So, obviously, yung PR ko, nirenew ko na lang din kasi hindi ko alam kung gano'ng katagal ko makukuha yung NBI ko from here. So, ayun, basta ang dami ginagawa. Anyway, this weekend, we're just gonna relax kasi may sakit din si Riker. Hopefully by Monday, he's all good. Buti na lang din weekend siya nagkasakit. What happened to the TV? Yeah, kasi kung during the weekend, mahirapan ako. What happened? Did it stop? Okay, I'll check. So, yun lang guys. So, we're down to one store in the Philippines. So, it's actually easier kasi nag-i-school na nga si Ate Harley, no? So, it's hard for us na to really travel back and forth. We can only travel na lang kapag school holidays. And ang daming inabsent nga ni Harley nung June. So, anyway, so we're back to our routine now. At least hindi rin kami sumama dito sa Japan kasi nga, again, mag-absent na naman siya nun. And busy din si Ben, so. You wanna say hello, Kami? So pretty! So, baka ganun ulit yung gawin natin kapag hindi ko kayanin yung one-day vlog and then upload. Baka gawin natin weekly vlog. Yeah. Kasi, maraming ganap yung mga bata. Pero, Tuesday, Wednesday, yun pa rin naman yung pasok ni Riker. And then, may mga nadagdag lang activities. So, yeah. So, actually, sa OT, sa occupational therapist ni Harley, naghihintay pa rin ako. Kasi nga, ngayon, maternity leave yung OT niya. Kaya naghahanap ako ng bag. I mean, waiting for the new one. So, speech therapy lang siya ngayon. In-add ko actually yung psychologist, pero so far, she's very good naman kasi nga malaking tulong yung she have a really good band sa mga pinsan niya sa Pinas. So that it's really good when she's surrounded by positivity and so nabush yung confidence niya. And yung pagbalik nga namin ng Pilipinas, ang ganda ng mga feedback ng teachers niya, ng therapist niya, na she's very different. Sabi ko, yeah, the whole, even though we extended sa Pinas, it helped a lot kay Harley. Kasi kasama niya ng buong isang buwan yung mga pinsan niya doon. So yeah, it's good ate, isn't it? She loves her cousins. And with Riker then, of course. Happy. Si Riker nanood ng Cars. Natalo ako. And then dito sa bahay, inasikaso ko nga din kasi nag-order ako ng bar stools. Nagpakabit ako ng mga blinds sa mga spot na gusto kong palagyan ng blinds kasi lalo na yung sa taas. Pag maaraw, nandun kasi yung yung araw nakatapat. So, mainit siya. So, lalo na sa summer. Gusto ko siyang gawin before summer. So, yun, pinagkukontak ko yung mga person. Nagpalagay din ako ng Pure Tap kasi wala ditong filtered water. Huwag ma-update sa bahay. Yun na naman. Kato. Isa na lang pala hinintay namin. Magpapalagay ako ng aircon controller sa taas kasi wala. Kasi, it's a bit annoying going downstairs. Tapos, pag nakalimutan mong patayin yung heater or yung aircon ba. Pababa ka pa. So, sabi ko kaya papalagay ako sa taas. So, yun na lang hinihintay ko matapos. Yan you guys. So, pinalagyan ko ng blinds dyan. Kasi nga, pag maaraw siya, mainit and then, hindi mo rin makita yung TV. So, yan. And then, sa pantry, tsaka yun dito. Ayan. Mag-laundry tayo guys habang happy ang mga bata. Di ba kakasabi ko lang, nandito na siya kaagad sa laundry. Nahabol niya na ako. No, Riker? Namating gloves. Oh, can you give this to Ate? I don't know why is this one here. Riker, can you give it to Ate? Please? Give it to Ate, love.
What's the point?
Oh, here you go. Can you give it to Ate? Thank you. Give it to Ate Love. So, I'm gonna do laundry. Bumili pala kami ng bagong booster. Kasi, ay, pwede na sa booster si Ate. Ayan, nakasale siya. So, nilalagay ko yan sa car. Hindi na siya ganun kasi. Mas slimmer na kasi yung booster eh. Okay. Nag-road pala ako kahapon. Hmm? You didn't eat much breakfast, Roger. What happened? You don't have appetite?
Oh my gosh.
Ay, naku, baby. Ano tayo ng black snap? Is it really broken?
Mommy, my app. Mommy, my dad took it off.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Okay.
Hi, kids. I'm Mr. Pet.
Ate's playing in the room, Riker. Do you want to play with Ate?
Dinosaur. Press any button to begin. Oh, look.
Your temperature, baby. Nagtupi din pala ako ng clothes. Nagtupi ako ng isang gabi. Hindi ko pa na-put away. Mag-revise na lang siguro. Tapos ako ng meat guys, mag-pork sinigang kami today para at least yun na yung lunch namin tsaka dinner. Kami tatlo lang naman. And masarap din yun kasi may lagnat ng ating baby. Nagustuhan ko na yung sinigang sa gabi. Natin yung ni Ate. Ito rin sa playroom. Saan na yun? Dito ata siya. Ayan. Relaxing yun. Are you relaxing, little girl? Nandiyan siya sa kanyang house. Guys, we're watching Elemental now. Magluluto na si Mami. Magluluto na ako niyan kasi 11 na. Si Ate naka-skirt siya talaga palagi. Palagi talaga yan naka-skirt, guys. Ano tayo ng showtime nga. Ano bang takbo-takbo na ulit yung isa, oh. Yan mo yung aming fish, eh. Bumili pala ako kahapon ng light niyan. Ayan, oh, yan. And ano na sila dyan? 5. Namatay yung isa. Diba, kakabili ko lang, namatay na yung isa. Ayan, naglalaro na yung mga bata sa labas, guys. Magluluto na muna ako habang happy sila. Si Riker, na-kick in na yung medicine niya. Oh, takbo. Takbo na siya ulit. In fairness, di naman malamig. Mahangin-hangin konti, pero mas may araw dyan. Love you. Mommy, she's gonna cook, okay? You play, okay, with ate? Kailangan ko rin pala i-water ang aking plants. Lunch na kami, guys. Ito na ang aking sinigang. 12:30 na yata. Here's our sinigang, guys. Yum. Nalagyan ko lang yan ng spinach and string beans. Yum. Sinigang sa gabi. Kain tayo. Spinach, tsaka kamatis, and string beans. Kain! Mag-alas 2 na pala. Si Riker, nilagay ko siya dyan and tulog na pala siya. Katutulog niya lang. So, masasampay muna ako habang happy naman si ate. Huwag ka lang mainay, no? Don't be the loud. Say hi, guys!
Hi, guys!
You guys, gising na si Riker, 3:43. So, nanonood lang sila dyan ng The Grinch. Well, I'm gonna fold some clothes, guys. Mag-hang din pala ako ng bago. Ito lang ako nagsasampay, guys, kasi hindi na kami naglagay ng sampayan sa labas. Kasi natutuyo naman siya kaagad eh, with our washing machine. Dry naman siya agad. And hindi rin naman mabaho. So ngayon, nakapagtulogs ako. So basta pag may araw, naglalaba ako. Kasi ayoko kasi natatambakan. Kasi ibig sabihin na marami akong tupiin. And ayoko sa lahat ng gawaing bahay is magtupi. Ewan ko ba? Dito ulit yung dalawa sa labas, guys. Tingnan nyo sila. Oh! Hi! You wanna go in the car? Car ride? Where are we gonna go? Gusto niyan lumabas, guys. Binihisan ko na yan. Si ate na lang, binihisan ko. Kasi buong araw siya nakapajama. Oh, careful man. Hindi na talaga ang lumabas ng bahay, guys. Wala lang. Sabi ni Riker kasi, let's go to the car. So, buong araw kasi kami nasa bahay, guys. 5:30 na pala. So, mag-drive around na kami by the beach. And then we'll go home at dinner. And then we'll probably put them to bed at 7:30. That right, ka? Nag-drive pa lang ako sa, sa street pa lang. Kaya, nahawakan ko pa yung camera ko sa bag. Main road na. Bawal na, guys. Baka mahuli tayo. Look at the sunset, guys. Riker, what's that? Sunset. Look at that sunset. Hindi siya ganun kakulay, guys. Pero bilog na bilog siya. Guys, si ate kumakanta ng Halsey song. She likes Halsey. Hindi ko alam ang title niyan eh. What's the title of the babe?
Bad at Love.
Bad at Love. Painamin lang natin ito ng cetirizine. Para mawala pa agad ang kaniyang sipon.
Apparently they had a fallout.
Who?
Halsey and Kelsey, ballerina.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they were best friends, and then they had something happen.
No, Daddy's there watching you, taking your medicine. You can drink your water after this. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ang tagal lang nito, guys. Oh, you sit down, then I can give it to you.
No.
Okay. Okay, have to hold your hand.
Personal private.
Here guys, tulog na pala sila kanina pa ng 8:30. Alas 10 na pala, nanonood lang ako ng Emily in Paris. And tinapis ko mag-edit. So we have vlog tomorrow. So yun lang for today's video guys. So abangan nyo na lang after this video, after this vlog, it will be the Boracay vlog. So good night everyone.